looking to have a hot date, but with little effort, look no further. I have found the easiest meal possible for you to make in a short amount of time. It's less than $15. This is restaurant quality food. Let me show you how to make it. Okay, we're gonna start by putting the oven on 400 degrees. Yes, it is 1 o'clock. I'm eating lunch late. Okay, next step, you can get your foil, you can get a silicone mat, you can get whatever you want to make this as easy a cleanup process as possible. I'm gonna use foil. This part is important because we're trying to do a low effort meal. That includes the cleanup. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this. This is stuffed Atlantic salmon. It's stuffed with seafood, and this is from Aldi. I got it for $9.99. You cannot beat that. This is so good. Again, it tastes like a restaurant, but you have to add some special ingredients to this. So I'm just gonna use these scissors. I'm going to cut it, get it out. This is kind of hard to find. I don't know if it's seasonal or if it's just hard to find. So they don't always have it. When I find it, I usually buy like 3 or 4 of them and stock up. I recommend stocking up, especially because you know you're gonna like it. See it, buy it. Won't be needing this anymore. Okay, this is another star of the show. This is salmon rub. If you've been following me for a while, you will know that I use this all the time. You don't just have to use it on salmon. In this case, I will be using it on salmon, but you can use this on vegetables and pretty much anything. But it has a nice flavor. So I'm just gonna really just get a bunch of it on here. Kind of hard for it to come out, so you know, I'm gonna be here for a while. I might have to speed this up. This is kind of fun. This is the fun part. I'm gonna put you guys closer so you guys can see it. Okay, these are very important. So what we're gonna do with these 2 little thinly sliced pieces of orange is we are just going to put this here. Put another one right here, maybe. Actually, we'll probably put it closer like that. Okay, so we are still waiting for the oven to heat up. Okay, so now is the time that you're gonna need to make some decisions. Like, what do you wanna put with this? I'm thinking to put cauliflower rice, maybe carrots. But I'm also kind of thinking, I wanted to make this really low effort. I'm gonna do the cauliflower rice. Okay, so I've decided to spice this up. I'm gonna be using this riced cauliflower. This comes in 3 different colors and it has creamy Alfredo in it. So, you know, if I'm gonna be healthy, I'm gonna be healthy with Alfredo. This is pretty quick. It's gonna take about 6 minutes to cook, so I don't really need to start it yet, but I know what I'm doing, so it's gonna be okay. Okay, it's ready to go in the oven. We're gonna go and stick it in. So I'm gonna set the timer for 20 to 22 minutes. I'm gonna set it for 20 and then I'll just keep checking on it. Okay, so again, today I'm wearing pajama pants with this. This is Cuddle Duds. Got them for Christmas from my mom. Shout out to my mom. Today we are gonna be using this oven mitt, obviously, because I put something in the oven. It's a little early, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the microwave now because I'm hungry and it's gonna be one step closer to eating. So it just goes standing up in the microwave, about 6.5 minutes, and we're ready. So we just gotta wait for everything to finish. Okay, so it's ready. Just going to put some lemon on this. It's really getting everywhere. This looks good. Okay. Okay, so this is the product. You could probably put another vegetable here, but I wanted this to be low effort. This is a lunch and not a dinner, so this is what it looks like. You can't see it very well. This kind of helps. Let me show you what the inside looks like. So this is where the seafood stuffing is. So as you can see, looks like this. Looks delicious. Ooh, this looks so good. Look at it, amazing. Looks amazing. Let me try some of it. Let me try it. This is good. This cauliflower is pretty good. I kind of want to put some lemon on the cauliflower. Let me see if that helps at all. This is it. This is what I'm gonna call the easy, low effort date night dish. Only took about 25 minutes. No effort, throw it in the oven, throw it in the microwave, call it a day. Okay, I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. I'm gonna go eat. Bye. I don't have cauliflower rice. Instead, I'm gonna have to settle for this bag of cauliflower. Again, substitute it with whatever you want. On high in the microwave. Okay, the oven is ready to go. Why am I so white?